Welcome to Brown Girl Bella's Bella Brigade, where we bring you lips, lashes, and luxury, plus a whole lot more. I go live every Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time for Sunday Sips, and I go live every Thursday at 9 p.m. Eastern Time for Bella After Dark. In between, you can catch me on Instagram at BrownGirlBella or on Twitter at BrownGirlBella2 and on TikTok at BrownGirlBella. I hope to see you soon and stay bellified. Okay, babes, we are winding down day number 23. And this is the wine advent calendar. So let's look and see what we have for day number 23. Another wine from Unprecedented. This is a Zinfandel. Wonderful. All right, so let's read about this Zinfandel. Looking for a wine that packs a punch? Zins are grown worldwide, but you'll find some of the tastiest right here in California. Not as bold as a Cab, not as light as a Pinot Noir, it's right in the middle. Tasting notes in this wine are plum, raspberry, blackberry, toast, and anise. And you can drink this with gorgonzola cheese. Very nice. All right, Zinfandel. Day number 23, Jo Malone. Right here. Let's see what we got. Not sure what this is. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. It's a snow globe. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, wow. I like this. Thank you, Jo Malone. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. Day number 23, snow globe. I love it. Day number 23 from OPI. Let's open her up. And this one is Snow Holding Back. Snow Holding Back. I love these names. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. It's not quite white. It's like and it's not quite silver either. It's like a marriage between white and silver. It is very iridescent. Like, I don't know if you can see it from the bottle. I hope you can. This is gorgeous. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. All right, day number 23. Beautiful. Hey, everyone. Here is day number 23. From our advent calendars, we got a Zinfandel, a beautiful snow globe from Jo Malone, and this beautiful OPI nail polish. Wow. Very nice. Very, very nice. And we'll see you back here for the rest of BELLAmas. Also stay tuned because after the holiday season, that first Thursday after Christmas, we are going to be doing the Best in Beauty Awards as we do every year on Brown Girl Bella as a live stream. So make sure that you are also going to my community tab every single day and voting for your choices for the Best in Beauty. Okay, these are all going to be picked by you. The nominees are selected by me, but the choice is yours. Which one will take home the prize for Best in Beauty in 2022? It's up to you. See you soon.